Hey guys, John from A Global here. Today we're doing an unboxing. This is on a Sportsman inverter generator. This is powered by Duel fuel. It's EPA carb approved, and it is 2200 surge watts, 1800 running watts. Now this is a pure sine wave inverter, so it's great for computers and such. And I actually got this because I want something just large enough for my house. And my furnace uses 400 watts, and each refrigerator uses a couple hundred watts each. So this should be able to power both for backup, and it's easy, it's portable, I can move it around. But a little bit about this, it's a 3 horsepower 4-stroke engine, has a recoil start, 79.7 cc overhead valve engine. It has a 1-gallon fuel tank for regular gasoline, and runs 7 hours at 50% load on gas, and 18 hours at 50% load on 20 pounds of propane. So it does burn up a lot of propane when it's running. So let's get right to the unboxing. Top here, so we got the quick start guide to using your generator. If you like what you've seen so far, please click the like button and subscribe. We also have some literature here. Looks like we got a nozzle here. Let's see, oil, gas, whatever. Some parts and pieces. And looks like we have the propane hose and regulator there. This thing out here. So, I always look good when they're new. This is obviously going to need oil put in it. Pull start, obviously it's for fuel. And the control panel here, power, get the economy setting, choke, obviously to tie in your propane, and DC reset, USB, some alerts there, and 120 volt plug. Now obviously the parallel output connection if you have two of them. Videoing? Mm-hmm. Alright, so I went ahead and connected the cord. Let me just snug this up. Go ahead and turn that on. I've already added the oil here. From the instructions it says, because we're hooking it up to propane, to make sure that this is in the off position. So that's the on position, this is the off position. So we're going to use propane. We're going to put the economy mode off and turn the power on here. I'm going to give it a little choke. Start this up for the first time.
Wait, the fuel's off.
Well, yeah, you want the fuel off for the gas.
Oh, okay.
So right now, obviously, we've got a bunch of air in this hose. It's going to take a few pulls to get it to go through. try this again. That works. Now let's see how this does against the refrigerator. Put this in here. That powers up the refrigerator. So it's pure sine wave. It's a nice clean 120 volts. So if you like what you've seen so far, please click the like button and subscribe and help support a fellow YouTuber. Thanks for watching.